So it's been over 2 months and we're still not done. Hi, welcome to my channel, JL Wood Artistries. My name is Jordan. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And yeah, it's been over 2 months and we're still not done, but we just have a few minor touch-ups and then we'll be able to finally call this basement makeover project complete. So if you're in the same boat and you're looking for some motivation, or you're in the planning stages and looking for creative ideas, or you've just got some time to kill and looking for entertainment, I hope this video is helpful to you and I'm so glad you're here. So without further ado, let's get started.
So do you just film the entire thing and then cut out the bits you don't want?
Yep, pretty much.
Like what you're doing right now?
Mm-hmm.
Now the door shouldn't give us any issues anymore.
Right.
Because that foam won't be too hard to do.
So let's fold it back and then we'll cut it. Do you want to cut it or you want me to cut it? Ooh, look at that nasty stain.
Holy yuck.
This is how all YouTubers are. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so if we go over here.
Oh yeah, with the black light.
Yeah.
Show it right here too. Ew.
Nasty.
Okay, nice. Good tear. Yeah, good tears.
Decent.
I'm not really sure why at this point, but I decided it was a good idea to save some money and do the demo ourselves. It really wasn't that difficult to remove all the carpet, but the pad was glued to the concrete and it was a lot of work and very time consuming to remove.
He doesn't even want to roll over like we always do.
We removed the old carpet in the 3 bedrooms, the family room, and the staircase. And yes, there were urine spots everywhere. Shampooing and professionally cleaning the carpet never got rid of the urine smell, and we could see why when the carpet was turned over. The carpet and pad was cut into sections and rolled up in order to load it into the truck. And we were finally rid of it all with 2 loads to the dump. Now onto the skirt board. The staircase didn't have a skirt board or baseboards, and I always felt like they were missing something and unfinished. So it was time to change that. I figured the easiest way to go about it would be to make a template of the steps to trace onto a sheet of MDF. I rolled out some butcher paper, roughly cut it to size, and then added blue tape throughout to really fine-tune the template. I cut the MDF down on the table saw and then traced out the template. Next, it was time to cut it out with a jigsaw. It didn't need to be perfect, thankfully, as the flooring would add some additional thickness to the steps and risers. I just needed to get the skirt board within an 1/8 inch or so. Then I repeated the entire process for the other side of the staircase. I sprayed on a coat of primer and then 2 coats of interior white paint. I used super glue to join the ends of the skirt board together. Then I shot it with 2-inch nails, making sure to hit the studs. We were surprised to find an old metal pole in the concrete. Maybe a temporary support pole? I don't know. It had to be ground down since it stuck up too high. And then we discovered another problem. The old carpet did a good job of hiding the fact that the entire family room wasn't even close to being flat. So about 20 bags of fast-setting self-leveler was mixed up and poured onto the floor to fix it and make it flat. My wife Michaela picked out carpet for the 3 bedrooms, and I think it really looks nice. It makes the bedrooms comfortable to walk on, and who doesn't love the smell of new carpet? Michaela also chose weathered style stone polymer composite flooring for the stairs and family room. If you picked up on a theme here, yes, I don't make any of the design decisions for a reason. This stuff is extremely durable, waterproof, and can be installed directly on top of the concrete, or in our case, the concrete leveler. The planks click together easily, which made the install super quick.
Should I run down the driveway?
After the flooring was in, I went to work installing the baseboards. We went with a 4-inch tall baseboard, and I think it finishes the space out nicely. Some of the doors no longer fit after the leveling compound and new flooring, but I took care of that with a circular saw. I put down a couple strips of blue tape to protect the door from the saw, connected my measurements with a straight edge, and then made my cuts. I added a couple coats of interior white paint to the old handrail, and then the kids helped me reinstall it. I'm not a professional painter, but I still have high standards when it comes to straight paint lines. This corner is where two different colors of gray will meet. I first taped off the straight line, then added a bead of caulk and wiped it thin. The caulk will seal any gaps under the tape that the paint can get into. Then I painted the area and removed the tape before the paint and caulk could dry. And there you have it, professional results from a non-professional. If you think I've earned it, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. That way you're alerted when I upload new videos.
And that's it for this video. Until I catch you on the next one, please take care and stay safe. Goodbye. Hi, Mom.